Today's decluttering checklist prompt was simple. Check for expired condiments, which we found. But once I got rolling, I had some time. I decided to tackle the whole fridge, which worked hard for us during the holidays and was in need of some serious love. This is the thing about a small task. It often kickstarts my motivation. If cleaning your fridge makes you think gross or disgusting, me too. It happens to all of us. It's not Instagram worthy with all the bells and whistles, but our fridge is refreshed, functional, and ready to keep working hard for us. Bonus, we found some frozen cookies and we made a skillet cookie to celebrate. Check the caption for more tips from today and comment declutter for the checklist I'm referring to.